Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ayan and I am going to give you some instant solutions from the NCERT book of class 7. So today we're gonna do the exercise 1.2 question answers. So sorry I am late this time. I have to study for the other exams also of mine. So I was busy in that. So today I got time to do. So I am doing. Okay, let's start without wasting any time. So question number 1 is write down a pair of integers whose sum is -7. So first of all, what is sum? Sum means plus, always addition. Sum means addition. So for addition we gonna do is I am taking -5 plus -2. Okay, so I am taking -5 plus -2. So here why I took -5 and -2 only, because it is easier also to find out. And in this case what you will do is 5 minus minus is equals to plus, so we don't have to give concentrate in the that one middle part. We just You just have to imagine that we have to just add this one. If the word is sum, we have to just add the both the numbers. Okay, so directly add both the numbers. Okay, so here's what we will do is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7, and as the greater number has the minus sign, this one greater number has the minus sign, so we will give in the we will give in the 7 also. So what will the answer come out? The answer will be -7. Okay, so the answer of ours A is this one. Okay, so 5 minus 5 plus -2. So this is pretty easy, so it has been done. So now is difference is 10, -10. So in this case we have to do subtraction. We have to what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. So I am going to take as -8 and -2. -8 and -2. So in this case, if you take the both the negative numbers, then you don't have to give the minus sign, or you can guess, it's your choice. So for yourself, not to teach anyone, for yourself you can do directly this. So our answer will come out 8 plus, so minus minus is equals to what? Minus and minus gives us plus. Okay, minus minus gives us plus. So what it will be? It will be our -8 plus -2. Okay, so what it will give us? It will give us 10. So as the greater number has the minus sign in it, so we have to give it here also. So afterwards what we will get? We will get the -10. And what is the answer? It is -8 -2. So C, sum is 0. So this one, though, I think so you all can do. So in this case, say sum is there, it means plus, and in this case you can give a minus sign to give, but if you will give a negative number in this case, then it won't be 0, it will be the greater number. As I'm giving you an example, if you take -5 and minus plus -5, so it will give you -10, not 0. So in this case you have to take one negative number and one positive number, so that the sum comes out 0. So in this case I am giving you a very good example, means very easy example, that will be -5 plus 5. Okay, minus 5 plus 5, it will give you us 0. So 0 does not contains any, means 0 is not a positive number and not a negative number, so it does not carries any sign. Okay, if you give minus sign or plus sign in it, then it will be also a big 0 in exam. Okay, so question number 2, write a pair of negative integers whose sum gives 8. So this is also same like number 1 only. What we have done in number 1, it's uh, same, it's pretty same. So in this case, what I gonna do is negative integers. So we have to find out the difference also, and we have to find and here it's given us that we have to take negative numbers, not positive numbers. So I am taking minus 2 and minus 10. So you got my point now. So I am taking minus 10 and minus 2. So after taking minus 10 and minus 2, it would be easier, because afterwards what we can do is we can directly show us that 2. So minus minus is equals to plus, and plus minus is equals to minus. So afterwards what it will be, it will be our minus 10. Okay, 2 minus 10. So here the answer comes out, the answer will be 8. Okay, so here why I am not giving the minus sign is because the 10. Okay, so the 10 I have see, first what I said minus minus is equals to plus. So here instead of minus sign we have considered as the plus sign, so it is another sum. Okay, so it is another sum means you can carry the plus sign in here. So it is another sum, so it is minus 2. Okay, it is minus 2 and it is plus 10. So the answer comes out 8, because the greater number has a plus sign in it, so there won't be the minus sign. Okay, so this part is over. So what we got the answer minus 2 plus 10. Okay, so plus 10 we don't have to take, we directly, if we say 10 also, it's okay. So next question is, B, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. So you have to take a negative integer and a positive integer, and the answer should come out minus 5. So in this case what it will be, okay, I'm gonna take as minus 7 and plus positive integer, so it's 2. So minus 7 plus 2, so is equals to minus 5. So how minus 5? So 7 has minus this minus and plus, so this minus and this plus, so minus plus minus and plus gives us what, gives us minus. So it's a minus. So 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 2 will be what, will be 5. And as the greater number has the minus sign in it, so we have to carry on in the answer also. So this part is over. What we got the answer minus 7 and minus plus 2. Okay, so question number C, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So we have to write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So in this case we have to give the minus sign in it in the between. So I'm gonna take -2, -2, and -1. It's a positive integer, so -1. So what it will give us, it's is equals to, so it's 3. So how it's 3? Minus this minus and this minus. So minus is what? Minus is always plus. So after doing 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So as the greater number has the minus sign in it, this one, so we will give it to 3 also, so it becomes -3. So our answer is -1, -2 -1, means minus plus 1. So this question number 2 is over. Question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored -10, 10, 0, and the team B scores 10, 0, and -40. So same. So the difference is, one is, in one case there is 40, -10, and 0, and in team B it's 10, 0, and -40. So same only in this 3 successive rounds. So each team scored more, or which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Also, it's basically it's say that basically it's asked us that can we add any integer in any form, means C. In this case 40 is in the up, 10 is in the between, and 0. So 10 is in the up here, and 0 and -40. So same only. So it's actually written in commutative property. So I will explain you in this question number 4, not now. So so um team A scored. First we have to write the score of team A. So team A is this one, -40, 10, and 0. So afterwards, total score of team A, we have to find out the total score of team A. Okay, first we will find out the total score of team A. So 40, -40, 10, and 0. So -40, so 10, -40, 10, and 0. Okay, 0. So 0 to we don't need, only this one cut it. 0 to we don't need. Okay, so we directly can find out of this two. So after finding out of this two, what we got the answer 30. As minus, this one has only one minus sign, it's a positive number, so directly it's gonna subtract 40 by 10. So the answer will be -30, as the greater number has the minus sign in it. So it's -30. So team A scored -30, and now the score of team B. So team B score is 10, 0, and -40. So it's same only, so because the numbers are same, so it will be same only. So it will be -30 again. Okay, so so I'm asking you that, does the answer same? Does both the team are same? The score is same? Yes, I think so. You have understood that both the teams got the same score, -30. So in the last of this questions, what you will write after solving it, what you will write that yes, yes, both the teams scored the same, and we can say that we can add integers in any order. So in any order, if we if we want to take out the sum of any integer, it will come out the same. Okay, if the numbers are same, so we can it can come out the same, so we don't have to take any tension or something. Okay, so now I will give you some importance definitions which help you in the future also. So in these questions, fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Okay, so we have to fill in the blanks to make the statements true. So in this case, we don't have to write true false. Okay, don't think that we have to write true false and you are giving true false true false true false. We don't have to do that. We have to just take out the statements so that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so the left hand side should match the right hand side. So in this case, I am going to teach you some important uh, properties of maths. Okay, so first property which we will use in number one is commutative property. So in the commutative property, what it helps us, it means it is the property which we does the sums like this na, that a huh the like a a minus b is equals to b minus a is equals to b minus a. So what it is just that the left hand side a is in the front, means the a is first and the b is in the second part, but in the right hand case it just the opposite mirror image. If you keep the mirror if you keep a mirror in between a and b, okay, not between means after a and b, so what you will see that in the opposite sides the b is in the front and a is in the back side of the b. Yes na, so just it's same only, just you can consider it as it's the mirror image of the left hand side. So in this case, what it will be, just we have to write minus 5 in it. Okay, just you have to write in the bracket minus 5, so it is the answer is complete. Okay, so this is the easiest one you can do, but in higher class you will get more difficult questions. So question number 2. So I think so this one is very easy. I think so you got the point in question number 1, that what we have to do. So number 2 is the easiest one. So it's the zero additive property. Okay, zero additive property. So I think so you have heard or you have not heard, then I am saying you that zero additive property means, just like we have done in we have done in which question we have done in question number 1's part C. We have done the question number 1's part C, that the sum should be come out 0. So it's just that only, that if you put, sorry for the disturbance, if you put any number, means if you take any number in both the sides and you put a 0 in it, this one 0 in it, so the answer will come out the same, because adding anything or subtracting anything with 0 between, so it's give us the same answer in the right hand side also. If you, so you can do the sum also if you want, but this is a very easy if this one is zero additive property. Okay, so you can write in the make a bracket, and you can write also this is commutative property. CP I am writing commutative property, you can write it, and this is zero additive property. Okay, this is zero additive property. So I'm running, if you you will have disturbance. So the question number 3, 17 plus dash will give us 0. So 17 plus dash will give us the solution 0. So 17 plus what it will give us the 0. So this is, I think so I have done in the befores. 17 plus dash will give us 0. So before also we have done again the same one only, minus means question number 1 C part. You can get the answers from there only. You see the minus means question number 1 C, the answer will come out directly, the other solutions also. So in this case, what in the C part what we have done, we have done that minus 5 plus 5. So it gives us what, it gives us 0. Okay, so in this case also same only, but the number is different. So 17, what we will write, we will write 17 minus 17. So 17 minus 17 will give us what, it will give us 0. It will give us 0. So the answer is what, answer is minus 17. So question number 4. So 13 plus minus 12 plus dash will is equals to 13 plus minus 12 plus minus 7. So in this case again the same rule only, which we have done. The same rule means I'm saying about additive identity. The same rule means additive identity. So additive identity, no, additive identity was in this case, okay, additive identity. So I think so I've not said, sorry for that. So this is A and I, additive identity. Okay, additive identity. So question number 4 is question number 4 will be the property which we will use is associative property. So means the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. So if the right hand side the answer is written in the left right hand side, the answer is written, so in the left hand side also we will give the same number should be in the left hand side, and the same number should be in the right hand side. So in this case it's very easy, it's just an minus 7. So you have to look, the last number is minus 7, so we will put a minus 7 in here also in this part. Okay, so the answer is minus 7, and this is associative property. Okay, associative property. So you can write A P. Okay, not Andhra Pradesh, okay, not Arunachal Pradesh. This is just AP, associative property. You can write the full form, associative property. So question number 5, the last one. Okay, the last one, and this one is, I think so you all can do, I think so you have understood. So this is also gonna be associative property, the same as question number 4. So what is on the right hand side, you have to write in the left hand side also. Means what is in the left hand side, you have to write in the right hand side also. So it's just minus 3. Okay, so this is also associative property. Sorry, associative property. So this is minus 3. So our exercise 1.2 is over. Yes, this is the sum of the solutions you can read from the book. So our exercise 1.2 is over. So the 1.3 I will give in the uh, next video. So thanks for watching, and please like the video if you have understood something. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and put it in the all notification button so that my new videos comes to you immediately after I send. So thanks for watching, and if you want, then you can give a sweet comment to me if you have understood, and if you have not understood, then you can ask a question to me. Text the question, and I will try to give you your answer or your solutions. Okay, so thanks for watching, and bye.